guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create this shake on CapCut PC. So you're just going to kind of go to the part where you want the shake to happen, and you're going to want to add a keyframe here, and you're going to zoom in. Oh, actually, sorry, add a keyframe at the start, and then go to the part where you want the shake to start and zoom in, and then to the next keyframe, zoom out. Oh, double click on scale so it's 100, and just kind of review it first. If the keyframe is too far apart, you can just move it. If I can just select the actual keyframe. Oh, there you go. Okay, once you're done, go to effects and go to nightclub and add in rebound swing, and add it on top, and make sure the strength is at a 12 and the speed is at an 8. And you're going to want to make it kind of small, and you're going to place it to the part where you want the shake to be. Okay, then to add the flash, go to media, go to library, and add in a white background and add it on top. And here is where you add more keyframes. So go to blend mode first and select overlay, add a keyframe here, put it to 0, and in the middle make it 100%, and at the last keyframe make it 0 again. And that is it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!